Ayan, thank you. Ayan, madilim na, no? Madilim na sa aking kinaroroonan. Di kasi nakabukas ang aking mga ilaw. At ang oras dito ay alas 4:09 na. Meron pa tayo natitirang 50 minutes. Ayan, thank you. Tawid pa tayo habang may oras pa. Maraming salamat po sa mga andito sa bahay po ni Ate Babes. Elton John pa rin po. What have I got to do to make you love me? What have I got to do to make you care? What do I do when lightning strikes me and awake to find that you're not there? What do I do to make you want me? What have I got to do to be heard? What do I say when it's all over? And sorry seems to be the hardest words. It's sad, so sad. It's a sad, sad situation. And it's getting more and more absurd. It's sad, so sad. Why can't we talk it over? Oh, it seems to me that sorry seems to be the hardest word. Kaya pwede na po kayo matulog. Sleep time. It's sad, so sad. It's a sad, sad situation. And it's getting